Hi, my name's Lisa, and I received a phone call from Dr. Alamanda about 2 weeks ago, and he told me about an exciting event that was happening at the Herndon Surgery Center, and I was the 1,000th patient to get a full knee replacement at the center, and he asked me if I would be interested in doing this video, and I said, of course. And so here we are, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my journey and let you know that it's not so scary, and it's something that people do every day, and your life is so much better for it. Again, my name's Lisa. I'm a mother. I'm a wife. I have 3 daughters and 4 grandchildren, and my life is really, really busy. But I also have debilitating and painful arthritis. And this surgery is about fixing the arthritis in my knee so I can get back to my life. 7 or 8 years ago, I had my left knee done with Dr. Novak at OrthoVirginia. And I always thought that my right knee would just age with me, and it's not been the case. About 3 or 4 years ago, maybe longer, I started getting OrthoVis shots in my knee, and they weren't working, and they started causing problems. It started causing problems. So, but I did everything that I was supposed to do. I was exercising, I was doing water aerobics, I was keeping my weight down, I was eating healthy, and I still continued to have problems. And then I was really feeling pretty good with the shots until one day I went in and decided to do an aerobics class. And I ended up doing some floor exercises, and I walked out of that class and my knee was hurting. And I thought, oh my gosh, what have I done? And so I knew that things were not good, and I kind of really irritated it. But I started my summer and I traveled, but I noticed it was getting harder and harder and more painful to walk. So I went in and saw Jamie Fano, and she pretty much told me that I think you have a Baker cyst and you have a lot of fluid on your knee, and you're going to need to go have that knee drained. So I'm going to send you to Dr. Antonis, and he's going to help you through this. So no longer OrthoViscs. The cortisone shots weren't really doing what it needed to be done. When I saw Dr. Antonis, he's like, oh yeah, you got a lot of fluid on that knee. And he drained it all off. And believe it or not, it does not hurt. In fact, you feel so much better because you can walk again. And so I did that couple cortisone shots, and I said, I'll be on my merry way. Life is good. Well, that lasted about a month, and then I was back again with more fluid on my knee, and I did that 3 times with shots. We even did some PRP in there, hoping I could get things to settle down. But by December, things were not good. I was having a tough time, and I knew that I needed to get better because I had a grandbaby on the way, and I was going to be traveling a lot. And so I went in first part of December, January, and we went in and got an MRI. And I took it back to Dr. Antonis. He saw that MRI, and he said, your knee is pretty bruised, beat up, and I'm going to send you to one of our great knee doctors. So he gave me a list of 3 doctors. He said they're all fellowship trained. Go see one of the doctors. And I happened to pick Dr. Alamanda. And I went in and saw him, and we had an instant connection. I felt very comfortable with him. He read my MRI, and he, basically said, either fix it or live with it. And so here I am. Tomorrow's my surgery, and we're fixing it. And I'm so excited because I'm going to get my life back. Having gone through the left knee partial replacement makes me a little bit more relaxed about this one because I kind of know what's involved, but I know this is a more major surgery. But so it took me until now with life and scheduling to get this surgery done on May 24th. So I trust Dr. Alamanda to do what he needs to do. I'm so grateful that I have OrthoVirginia in my life. They have put me back together again so many times, and I have complete faith in their professionalism. Life is short, and when I got this call, I was kind of excited, and like when he told me I was the 1,000th patient, spit that out, at the surgery center, I thought, thank heavens it's not my 1,000th surgery. So I'm very excited for tomorrow. I'm ready for the challenges ahead. Hopefully you'll see me over the next few weeks as my journey continues. Rehab is so important after knee surgery. And maybe you'll see another video where I'm post-op and you'll see me on the golf course. What else is there to do? Or I'll be gardening. Or I'll be playing with my grandchildren on the beach. I don't know. I'll always be doing something. Life is too short, and you should take each day as a blessing. Thank you.